Are you feeling overwhelmed as Thanksgiving's approaching? Well, if you are, you're not alone. There's so much to do this time of year, whether you're entertaining or traveling or maybe even spending time by yourself at home. And I am a certified spiritual life coach, and I've helped hundreds of women 40 and over to transform their whole idea about Thanksgiving. And in this video, I'd like to walk you through a short reset so that you can get in touch with the joy within you and have a very happy Thanksgiving. So as a woman, there's so much to do this time of year. If you're entertaining, there's cleaning and there's cooking and there's shopping, and if you're traveling, there's a lot to do there. And the thing is, you're worried about everybody else, keeping peace in the family. You're not even considering how you're really feeling. And joy is not something that you bring in from the outside. Joy is something that is within you. It's always within you. And you can access it when you're calm and relaxed. And I'm going to ask you, what is one thing that you're grateful for this year? Gratitude helps to bring up that feeling of joy. So whatever it is, write it down in the comments below. And I'd also like to offer you a free holiday gift. It's my free Calm in the Moment kit. It has a 3-minute meditation that you could use early tomorrow morning before everybody comes over or before you start traveling. And you can use it at night when you finally have some time. Everybody's gone, and you can sit down and have some time to yourself. It has a 1-minute reset that you can use all throughout the day to keep the joy flowing. And it also has 15 journal prompts that you can use whenever you have some time, maybe this weekend, to sit down and reflect, maybe as what happened to you in 2025 and what you want to have happen in 2026. If you'd like the kit, then just comment CALM below the video and I'll send you the link. So let's get started with the reset. And I'd like you to take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Let out all that stress from today, from the week. And imagine that you are surrounded by a peach bubble. Peach is the color of my jacket. And it's not just a color that you see with your eyes. It's actually a quantum color which carries the frequency of the energy of joy. So you're encapsulated in this peach bubble. Breathe in this wonderful peach, joyful energy into your heart and let it circulate all throughout your body. And as you breathe out any tension. Breathe in this wonderful peach energy of joy. Let it go to your heart and then let it circulate all throughout your body to every cell. And as you breathe out any worry or any doubt that you have. And then one more time, breathe in this wonderful peach color. Breathe out any stress. And just relax into it. Relax into this joyful feeling. And call up that thing that you're very grateful for. Let them combine, the gratitude and the joy, and just let them circulate all throughout your body. And just see yourself having a really wonderful Thanksgiving. See everything working out well. You can do this reset before you start cooking, before people arrive, before you get in the car to travel wherever you're going, or if you're just spending time at home by yourself. In fact, you can do it any time of the year. You can have peach in your wardrobe or in your decor, in your sport gear, your journal cover. That's one reason why people feel so grateful this year. We have so much peach and orange, which is the color, the sister color of celebration, around us at this time of year that it just makes people feel very grateful, very joyful. So if you have these things in your surroundings, in your wardrobe, whenever you look at the peach or at the orange, you'll be reminded to be joyful and to celebrate whatever's there right with you. So if you're feeling more grateful, more joyful, please like this video. It'll let other women who are feeling overwhelmed, especially at this time of year, to take a look at it. If you'd like the Calm in the Moment kit, just comment calm below the video here. And if you'd like to go a little bit further with this Thanksgiving theme, I've created another video. Peace, have a peaceful Thanksgiving, and you can access it right here.